Hi guys, this is Brian and today we are going to see how you can create a website using WebSpaceKit. So after watching this video, you will be able to make your own WordPress website using WebSpaceKit like this just by using drag and drop, which can be accessed by anyone over the internet. We will also see how you can add new pages like this, how you can create a header area with a logo and a menu like this, and how you can edit your contents and optimize it for mobile view. So make sure you watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Okay, let's get started. Now we are going to create a website in just two parts. The first part is to launch your website. Now this is where we get our new website live on the internet. So to launch our website, we are going to do two steps. The first step is to choose a name for your website. So to choose the name, just go to webspacekit.com. Now enter the name you want here. I'm going to enter mytrackfit.com and then click search. Now you can see that this name is available. Once you choose your name, you can go to the next step, which is to get this domain name and hosting. Domain is the name of your website, which people need to enter to visit your site. Hosting is the place where your website's files are stored, like your website's images and files. So to get this domain name and hosting, let's click Add to Cart and then click Continue. Now here it will ask us to choose a hosting plan. Now hosting is needed so that your website is visible on the internet and can be accessed by anyone. And as you can see here, hosting provides the space to store your website on the internet. So based on the number of websites that you want to build, you can choose a plan here. I want to build one website, so I'm going to choose this plan. Now here you can choose how long you want the hosting for. You can choose any length here. As you go longer, you can see that we are getting a discount. Now I'm going to select 12 months and click Continue. Now here you can see that we're getting our domain, which is mytrackfit.com for free, and our hosting. Now both of these are valid for 1 year, which means once we complete this purchase, our site will be live on the internet for 1 year. So to get our domain and hosting, let's fill up these details. Now choose the payment method you want. Here enter your details. And click Order Now. Okay, so now we've successfully placed our order and we've got a domain and hosting. So now if we click here, you can see that we have successfully got our hosting and domain. Okay. So once you've got your domain and hosting, your website should now be live on the internet. So to check that, let's open a new tab. Now if we type mytrackfit.com and press enter, you can see that we have a brand new website on the name which we selected. Now sometimes it might take a few minutes for the domain to become active on the internet. So if you're not seeing this, try refreshing after 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so now we have successfully launched our website on the internet. Once you've launched your site, next, let's see how you can log into your WordPress website. So to log into your site, all you have to do is just click here, type /login after your site's address, and then press enter. Now here you need to enter these details to log into your WordPress dashboard. Now once your site is active, you should have received the login details of WordPress in your mail. So let's go to our inbox and you can see we have got this mail. Just open it. As you can see, we have the username and password. So let's copy this and paste it here.
Now let's copy the password. Paste it here. And then click login. Now you can see that we have successfully logged into our WordPress site, and this is the WordPress dashboard where you can control everything about your website. Okay, now once it's launched, this is how our WordPress site looks by default. So now let's go to part 2 of this tutorial where we see how you can make a default WordPress site into a professional website like this. So to make this into a professional website, we are going to do 2 steps. The first step is to import the design. Now instead of creating our website from scratch, we are going to import a design and then edit it to make our own site. Okay, so to import a design into our site, first we are going to install a theme in WordPress. So to install the theme, just go to Appearance and click Themes. Now here you can see the default themes which come with WordPress. Now to add a new theme, let's click Add New Theme. And now we're going to install a theme called Astra. So let's go here. Then search for Astra. And you will get this theme. This is the theme which is going to help us import the design on our site. So to install it, let's click Install. And to apply this theme on our site, click Activate. And as you can see, a new theme has been installed on our site. Okay, once you have installed the theme, next, we need to choose a design for our website. So to choose the design, let's click Get Started. And now, it will ask you to choose a page builder. Now these are the tools which will help you to edit your design. Now we recommend you to choose Elementor here, which makes it easy to edit your pages. So I'm going to choose Elementor. And now you can see all the designs which can be applied to your site. So have a look at these designs and select the one you like. I'm going to choose this one. And here you can see the preview of how the design looks. Now to import the design into your site, just click Import Complete Site and then click Import. Okay, so now the design has been imported. Now if we go back to our site, you can see that this is how our site was before. Now if we click Refresh, you can see that we have got the exact design which we selected. And we also have these other pages which also have the demo content. Okay, so once you've got the design into your site, next, let's go to step 2, which is to edit this content. Here you can see that we have all this content. Now how do you edit your page to add your own content? Okay, to edit any page on your site, just go to the page and click Edit with Elementor. So let's say you want to edit this home page. Just click Home and then click Edit with Elementor. And now it will take you to this editing mode where you can edit any part of this page. So let's say you want to change this text here. Just select the text and then start typing anything you want. And now if you want to change the text on this button, just select it and then enter your text. So in the same way, you can edit any text you want on this page. Just select the text and then start typing. So this works throughout the website. Now if you want to change this image, all you have to do is just click on it, select the image, and drag and drop your image. As you can see, the image has been changed. Once you're done with all the changes, you can save this page by clicking Update. And all your changes will be saved. Now if we go back to our site and click Refresh, you can see that all our changes have been applied. Okay, so now you know how you can edit any page on your site. Next, we're going to see how you can change the header area of this website. Now by using Elementor, you will be able to change this part of your site. But if you want to change this area, which is the header, you can do it by going to the Customize option. Now let's go to Customize. Now here you can see, we have these blue icons. Now if you want to change this logo, just click this pencil icon and you can change the logo here. Now in the same way, you can change the menu section by clicking this icon. So everything can be edited by using these icons. Once you are done with the changes, just click Publish and it will be published on your site. So this is how you can change the header of your website. Now let's close this. We saw how to edit the header area. Now, what if you want to add a new page? It's very simple. All you need to do is go to New and click Page. Now let's say you want to create a service page for your website. You need to first enter the title, and now to start creating your page, just click Edit with Elementor. And now it will take you to this blank section. Now here, we have 3 different ways to create your page. First, you can use these elements which are here and then drag and drop these elements into this area. So for example, if you want a heading, you can drag and drop this element here. And then enter your text. Now to add an image, you can drag and drop this element. So drag and drop it here and start creating your page. Now the second way to create a page is using blocks. Blocks are ready-made sections which you can add to your page. So let's say you want to add a ready-made section to your page like this. Just click here. And now, if you go to blocks, you can see different types of blocks which you can add to your page. Now to build your page, all you have to do is choose a block from here, then click Import Block. As you can see, we have got a block here. Now let's add one more block here. So let's click here, then choose the next block and import it. As you can see, we have got our block. So now to complete creating this page, all you have to do is just select the text and then change the content. Now to change this image, let's click here, then select the image here and add your image. So in this way, you can build your page using blocks. And you can also find more block designs by clicking here and choose a block from here. Next, let's look at the final way of building a new page, which is by importing a page template. So let's delete these blocks. And now, we are back on the blank page. Now to import a page template, just click here. And instead of blocks, let's go into pages. And as you can see, you will find a lot of page designs here. Now if you want to use any of these designs, just click it. And here you can see how your design looks like. And if you like it, click Insert. And as you can see, we have now got the entire design into our page. Again, just like we did before, you can change anything on this page just by selecting it and typing anything you want. This is how it works. Okay, once you're done with the changes, just click Publish. Then click here and click View Page. As you can see, we have published a brand new page on our website. So this is how you can add new pages to your WordPress website. Now here you can see that this page, which is our services, is not on our menu yet. So next, let's see how you can add this page to your menu. So to add this page to your menu, let's go back to Customize and click this blue icon. Here you can see all the pages of your website. Now to add this page to your menu, just click Add Items. And here you can see the new page which we just created. Now if we click on this page, you can see that this page has been added to the menu. Now to move this menu item here, just drag this item and then drop it wherever you want. And as you can see, this page now appears here. Now to save this, let's click Publish. Now if we go back to our site and click Refresh, you can see that we have got this page in our menu. Now if we click Home, it takes us to our home page. And if we click Our Services, we can now see our service page. This is how you can add new pages to your menu.
Okay, now you know how your site looks on computers. But how will this page appear on a mobile phone? So next, let's see how this page will appear on a mobile phone. So if we take our mobile phone and go to our website,
you can see that our site is automatically optimized for mobiles. And this is how it looks. Now if you click here, you can see our menu on the mobile phone. Now if you go to Services, you can see that this page is automatically optimized for mobile phones. Now let's say you want to change the size of this text only on a mobile phone. So let's go back to our computer. Now make sure you're on the page which you want to edit and click Edit with Elementor. Now scroll down to the place which you want to edit Now to change the size of this text on mobile, just click this icon and then change to mobile. As you can see, we have got the mobile view of our website. Now to change this text on mobile, let's click here and make sure you are on the Style tab. Now next to typography, click Edit. And here you can see that we can now change the font size on mobiles. So to change the size, all you have to do is just drag the slider and the font size will be changed on mobiles. Now to save the changes, just click Update. Now if we go back to our site and refresh the page, you can see that our font size has been changed.
This is how you can edit your website for mobile. So that's it guys. This is how you can launch your site using WebSpaceKit. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.